It's enormous. This is a monumental challenge for all of us here. When the earthquake first happened, we were talking about 3 million people homeless, and the death toll has risen steadily from, I guess, 18,000 was the first estimate, and we're talking about 73,000 now. That estimate will rise again.
Yeah, we lost much people here, and also injured. Some people are injured here, and now we need the tents and food.
We've got weeks, literally weeks, 3, maybe 5 weeks before the snows come in and start blocking the higher valleys up in Kashmir and Northwest Frontier Province. So tents and blankets and plastic sheeting are what we're trying to move as quickly as we possibly can.
Everything is destroyed. All shops is destroyed. College, mosque, and everything. You see there, everything is destroyed.
There's needs for food and needs for medical supplies and water and sanitation. But at the moment, just about everyone is focusing as heavily as they can on shelter. That's absolutely crucial.
It's a race against time at the moment because the winter is coming. Currently at night up in Bagh, it's about 0 degrees. They're saying that the snow is going to start in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Once the snow comes, obviously the roads are going to be less accessible, etc. So we have to get in there now.
It's an all-night job for me or for whoever else is doing it. We've got to be at the airfield to meet the planes, load all the stuff into trucks, bring it here to the warehouse. We sort it, we figure out what we've got, we figure out what they need in Bagh and what they're requesting that particular day. So the stuff can come in overnight, and the morning after that, potentially it can be distributed to the people, and that's the routine we've been working to.
Okay, Sunday morning, 7 a.m. at our Bagh warehouse office here with Goal. These are our local labourers and the tractors that we've hired. As you can see, we're loading now with NFI items. These are mainly blankets, tents. These are going to be distributed to the neighbouring villages. This particular load is going to Merlot, which is located about 2-3 hours drive up the road. We're mainly using tractors here because of the state of the roads. Are in awful condition, and local tried and tested means of transport. After which we're also going to be using the same means of transport to distribute food in conjunction with WFP, the World Food Programme.
In every family around the area, they have about 4 to 5 casualties in each family. And the sad part is, most of the people who died, they were kids and young adults of students of colleges and schools.
Nearly 800-900 dead bodies in this whole area. And the engineering corps of Pakistan Army put these dead bodies after 9, 10 and 11 days.
My 6th person, my family is died. My sisters, 2 childs, my 2 uncles, and my mothers are seriously injured.
This was a very beautiful city in past, but due to the earthquake, it has been totally smashed and destroyed. And I think there is a lot of need to effort for the rehabilitation.
we've already assessed the communities previously to today. We went round, we've spoken to the community representative and got lists of the number of households and the number of people living in each of these areas and the number of affected households. Today what we've done is we've brought shelter in the form of plastic sheeting, and we bought blankets for each of the families that we have registered on our affected list. So we've given out almost 700 plastic sheets, so that's 700 households, and over 3,500 blankets.
Today we delivered over 10 tonne of wheat, 4 tonne of oil, over 3,000 blankets, 500 tents, over 400 boxes of plastic which are used for the ground insulation, and some other NFI items. And the general reaction there is one of gratitude, but also there's still an air of desperation, as I think the people are beginning to realise winter's coming in and they're not getting enough.
And today I've had many people coming saying, but we have not received food. But I've just explained it will be very soon, before the snow.
You hope?
We hope, inshallah.
I would like to say that GOAL has played a vital role. Besides providing all sorts of facilities, they have tried to muster up the courage of the people, or to increase the morale of the people. Because at this time of trial and testing, people need some encouragement. They must be boosted up. They must be encouraged. Their morale must be high. So as far as the GOAL is concerned, they are doing the right job, I think so.
There's a lot of creativity in GOAL. We've worked with GOAL very effectively during the tsunami. A lot of good creative thinking, people with good expertise on the ground, a willingness to get as close to the people as they can to help them to identify what their needs are and respond to them. And this is one of the qualities that makes GOAL most effective in the field. Get down, work with the people, help them to realize their own recovery.